What's up, Brite Nation? So we are out here at the Rubicon Trail. We're about to do a couple different events here, including the Jeepers Jamboree and the Jeep Jamboree. We just finished running the Granite View Loop, and we figured on our way back up out of the trail, what better way to end the day than trying to wheel up Old Sluice. Now, if you remember, we've only ever done this one time, and it was going downhill in the stepchild. We've never done it in my buggy, which is now on 42s, and we've certainly never gone up it in the stepchild. And the last time we went down it, we nearly took our top off on this rock right here. So this should be interesting. I'm a little bit terrified, but it'll be fine. It'll be fine.
Crossed up.
Jesus.
He'd be better off going underneath that rock as opposed to on top of it.
I think he might be too close. I'd say ride the top. Ride.
Yeah, give it a shot.
Yep, walk it up.
Come on, baby. It's got to climb that rock, though.
Okay. Got it.
That tire is off the ground, just so my Jesus. That tire is off the ground.
Okay, stay there. Yeah, we might be doing some pushing.
Your back right is gonna come off that rock at a point.
Oh.
And your front is like...
I think my back left.
Yes, that's what I meant, sorry. Your driver rear is gonna come off that.
He's gonna drop on this corner.
I need my end over on the other side of this rock. 8 inches.
That's not gonna help. Just go slow, yep, you're good. So we're gonna try to get his rear end that way just a little bit more so it's not as precariously on the very tippity top tip edge of that rock. I don't know how he's gonna really do that, but we'll see. Might be slightly better. Oh, I don't. Okay. That might. I don't know what's going to happen when you come off of that rock, though. Kev. Because this tire's not coming down anytime soon, and it's hooked, so you can't slide. Okay. He's telling me to shush.
brakes on this. If I let go, and then it like still isn't.
If his rear, I just don't know if his rear is going to slide or if it's just going to
Well, I'm trying
pivot.
I'm trying to get my rear to slide now.
Yeah, I know.
The whole point is to stay up here, get my rear to slide,
Yeah.
and then I can
If
drive
the
out.
rear slides, it's fine, but if the rear doesn't slide, it might be weird.
Just let me do my thing.
I'm letting you do it. Are you wiggling? What were you doing? He's wiggling in the seat trying to get it to shift over. Good luck moving that 7,000-pound pig. She's a pretty pig, though. That might work because it'll bring your front left down. There it goes. You're sliding a bit.
I know. I'm in two-wheel drive, by the way.
Say that louder.
I'm in two-wheel drive, by the way.
So he's in two-wheel drive, so we can try to get it to slide sideways. When you're on off camber, it can help you. There we go. It can help you. There we go.
Ooh.
Yep. Yep. That might be it, Kev.
Go back and forth.
And you're past the rock. So he's back now in four-wheel drive. Yep. Oh my Jesus. You need to come more my way. There you go. There you go. Yep, right there. There you go. Now you can straighten out. Perfect.
Oh, I hit the mirror in the door.
Yeah.
Oh,
Tell Jeep to redesign their side mirrors.
I know. I know you're supposed to lift up and pull, but
Nope. You're gonna hit it. Oh my God. There you go.
Up, right?
so it's got to tilt up a little bit. It's on a cam, and it just has to.
There we go. How many men does it take?
That's really stiff.
No, it's a terrible design.
That's very
I mean,
sticky.
I see the.
I think there's a lot of dirt in it.
Keep coming forward. You're gonna pop up in the front here in a sec too.
So you're gonna pop up right now.
Keep coming forward.
How much in a sec?
Like an inch, you're on it. You're on the rock. You're coming up. Yep. All right, straighten out a little. Straighten out. Perfect. Boom. See, I got you. Sometimes I'll let you do what you gotta do, and sometimes you just gotta let me do what I gotta do.
Look how awesome that exhaust is. Oh, so sick.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you love that side mirror right now?
No, it's bull. I make it through the hard part down there, and then all of a sudden I got to worry about a stupid mirror on this. But when I was telling you earlier, you're like, I don't know. I just need you sometimes to just calm down, because I had it, babe. I just needed to work the vehicle and do what I knew how to do, and I got it. I can feel and I know how to maneuver the Jeep sometimes.
He just is more of a dick than he needs to be about things.
What? I don't have the. Go drive your buggy. I love you. Go drive your buggy. I love you. I hope that's poison oak and you get it all over you. Brett,
Yeah,
your buggy works really well.
it does. I'm in love with it.
You're doing really good.
It's pretty sick.
Yeah.
I'm like infinitely more confident behind the wheel of it than I was when we first got it.
Yeah, and now if we can just get those tires broken in, although they're doing fine.
They're doing okay for the fact that there's literally still nipples
Yeah.
on the
But
lugs.
yeah, honestly, but you know what's cool though? You see her buggy go through that, and then you see a 4-door JL that can go down the highway at 90 miles an hour come right behind it.
Whatever, mine's still cooler. You're gonna want it. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Straighten out. Put your hand in the car! This is our badass friend Sean. He is actually the gentleman that we are staying with while we are down here in the Lake Tahoe area for the next couple of weeks because he's awesome and he's letting us crash at his house.
And he's got a sick ass LJ.
So tell me a little bit about your rig that you're driving in right now.
This is a 2004 LJ that I purchased about 4 years ago and thought about the build I wanted to do. So it was bone stock, 195,000 miles, just like you would see a bone stock LJ. And what we did was stretched it to 115 inches, and we've got Fusion Dana 60 on the front with 35 spline RCVs, Fusion 60 in the back with 40 spline shafts. We got Fox shocks on it, coilovers,
They're
2.5s.
14-inch coilovers?
14-inch coilovers.
Compared to your what?
11-inch shocks. He's got more shaft than I do. What can I say? What do you want me to say here? I don't know. He's got a few more inches of dangle for
my dongle.
He's also got a 4.6 liter stroker under that thing. So.
Yeah,
Right,
4.6 stroker with a stock automatic transmission, just built up a little bit, and a 4-speed Atlas. Custom cage stuff, and it was all built by a friend of mine, Ben Veroza, out of Placerville. Awesome guy, does amazing work. Got some Genrite armor, Genrite skids.
And you have some custom stuff on here too.
Oh yeah.
To choose faith over fear.
Yeah.
And then your arms down there say dirt therapy, which I absolutely love the idea of.
Yep. Nitto tires, raceline wheels, and a lot of custom stuff on the interior. Lots of custom stuff, but it does really good. It's first time up this Old Sluice, and I appreciate you guys coming with me, or me coming with you. Either way, it was really awesome.
It's only fair since you're letting us take up room in your house. But dude, right on. This rig is, oh god, this rig is awesome.
I might have got a little scratch, I think, maybe not.
Where did
It just hit the mirror.
Oh, that was it? Oh,
It just
okay.
hit the mirror.
Oh, right here. Look, literally just right on the.
Yeah.
This. Oh my.
You're going a little too fast, and when you
Oh
slid
my
off the rock,
god.
you just-
So lucky.
Yeah, it was awesome. It's good to go through here. We're going to have fun the next couple weeks.
Okay, you guys. So I thought that we were pretty badass, but these guys right here, turns out they're way more badass than we are. His jet skis on top of his Jeep. Look at- and they're going down Old Sluice. Oh my god. Were we just talking about that?
That's why I did it.
He's got it.
You gotta go real high. You gotta go high. parts are a dime a
Is that
dozen.
his mirror?
Yeah,
Oh, my God.
that's his mirror right there.
I have to say, in all our years on the trails, this has got to be like one of the wildest things
Well,
we've ever seen.
I have to turn the locker on. Yeah, locker.
There you go.
You're not gonna. You gotta back up.
Did you see those things slide on top?
Sliding around.
I'm gonna snap that passenger front
You're
axle.
never gonna make it with the steering like that. Do I look good on this rock?
Yeah.
Yeah, dude.
Come up on this ledge. That was it.
Broke something, come back up. Yeah. That was front driver.
There you go. Yep, yep. TFO.
All right.
Your right front U-joint's broke. Your right front U-joint's broke.
Oh, there goes that cap.
Goodbye.
There he goes. It's all good. We'll get her out.
There's the other cap. He should be on this one. This is where you were.
Hey,
He's
Brody.
Never mind.
Did I get a jet ski?
No, not yet.
No.
You're about to, though.
No.
Love tap. You're good. You're good.
No, let's go.
You got it. You got it. It's nice and easy.
Hey, you got my mirror? Yeah, I do have a mirror. Thank you. That's my Jeep. My brother's driving it, so he just broke my Jeep, which is sick. This is his first time doing the Rubicon. I've done the Rubicon
Is that
3
your part
times
right
now.
there?
Yeah, this is the
There you
U-joint
go.
off of a 1550 chromoly shaft too, so it's kind of impressive. Well, if Bronson would have fixed his hydro, I would have made it up for sure. But
That has got to be one of the wildest things we have ever seen in our entire years of whatever wheeling. And not wild in the sense of like, this is like a really hard extreme trail. Granted, Old Sluice is definitely difficult. He had jet skis strapped to the top of his Jeep. It's like, he said 700, 800 pounds in jet ski strapped to the top of his Jeep. Going down Old Sluice. It's freaking ridiculous.
You touch me so tenderly. I want you tremendously. My heart knows no remedy. I don't know no remedy. My heart calls for heavenly.
That is not good.
That's never a good sign. I said, get the camera going. I'm doing something cool.
Belly down. Yeah.
I'm a little bit longer. I don't think I'm gonna have that kind of luck.
Go jump on the slider on the other side. What did you do, Kev?
I just wasn't paying attention.
I just wasn't paying attention.
Now you're getting worse.
Yeah. Just, it falls, Kevin, it falls off that way, though.
Yeah, you're gonna fall off that way. Don't go that way. You have to back up this way. Hard pass.
There's no ground on you that way.
No, no.
Have him pull you back.
So Sean's Jeep decided it didn't want to start anymore after we just pulled Kevin off that rock. So now we're gonna do some trail fixing because that's what I'm here for. Yeah. So the good old Drop Forge 300 heavy duty starter button.
It's custom.
Custom. It's on, right?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Okay, stay there. Stay there.
Right where you were. Oh, they wanted it.
Go, go, gadget. Starter. Pump it.
Yes.
Turn it forward.
Why you no start?
What happened? What did it say?
Done.
It literally said done.
D-O-N-E.
Somebody needs to go hit the key at the same time because if this works, it's gonna be awesome. Russian space station, American space station, all made in Taiwan. And it's supposed to start.
Worth a shot.
Well, you're supposed to hit something of significance.
No,
not
instead
just
of
a tire.
So while we're working on the Jeep, we realized that this plume of smoke from whatever fire is going on is grown significantly larger than it was before. That's what it is. In case you're wondering.
So, John, we're
That is not water, that's fuel.
I win!
What did you do?
We put fuel into a water bottle and got it started once. So we were trying to see if it was fuel or spark. And if you put fuel in it and it doesn't start, it's gonna be spark. If you put fuel in it and it starts, then that means you weren't getting fuel.
Yeah. Well, anyways, that was a entertaining trail if I've ever
That was Old
been
Sluice?
on one.
Old Sluice? What was that?
Old Sluice.
That was old. We did Old Sluice up this
We
time.
went up Old Sluice, came across some jet skis on the trail, and rescued Chuck. Which we're not turning his rig off right now until we can get to a place where we can figure out what was going on. That way we don't have to deal with starting it up again. But anyways, you guys,
Hope you liked that little video.
I hope you liked it. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Remember, you can find all your Lite Brite Nation merch and decals at litebritstudios.com. And as always, we love you, and we'll see you next time.
Bye, guys. So we actually found some subscribers on the trail, and the CJ here, and his motor mount broke. That's not a really big deal, other than when it torqued over, it ripped all the wires apart. So there would be a whole ton of wiring to do, and well, we've got a Hemi 500 horsepower, 7,000 pound Jeep here that can help. So we're always down to help, especially subscribers. But we're down to help anybody. You don't have to subscribe to be helped out. All right, not to brag, but I'm gonna brag a little bit. We've got the AC on high. We're getting ready to climb the slabs here at Rubicon while towing a Jeep behind us. Did you even feel that at all? Like, you don't even feel it in here?
I didn't even feel a tug.
Now it is a kinetic rope, so there is give to it, which makes a big difference. But still, fourth gear at 5 miles an hour.
Just pulling it. Choo choo. Here we go. You're broken too?
Yeah.
Oh. I don't know if we can pull 2 of them out of here.
Look how much fun she's having.
I'm having a great time. I've never seen anyone so excited to get towed off a trail before.
I should fling them off the corner.
That's the fastest that Jeep's ever gone up this hill.